Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is perimeter areas. Now in today's class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is what? Data handling. Okay. Dear students, basically in that chapter we are considered about on the topic mean, median, and next one mode. These are very important topics of that chapter. Okay, we already discussed in previous class. We already discussed all three topics in which are very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, so now we revise once more time that topic, that is mean, median, and mode. Okay, dear friends. Now, so first of all we discuss about the mean. What is the concept of mean? Dear friends, mean is that value of the set of observations. Mean of any observation is defined by the sum of observations dividing by the number of observations. Okay, so the general formula for mean is what? The general formula for mean of any data is equal to what? Sum of observations upon number of observation. Okay, this is the general formula for to find the mean, okay, of any statistical data. Okay, the mean is also known as arithmetic mean. Okay, generally mean is also called as arithmetic mean. Okay, so both are equal to each other, no any confusion between these two terms. So the general formula for mean is sum of observation divided by the number of observations. Now, dear student, we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on mean. Let's see. Now we take and solve some other important question. Let's see. And the question is find the mean of first 8 natural number. Find the mean of first 8 natural number. Okay, dear student, we find the mean of first 8 natural number, which is very important question. Let's see its solution. Dear student, first we discuss about what is the concept of natural numbers. So you know that very well. What is natural number, dear students? All counting numbers starting from 1 is known as what? Natural number. Thus, in that question, first of all, we write the all first 8 natural numbers. Then after we find its mean. Let's see. The first 8 natural numbers are, the first 8 natural numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so dear friends, these are the first 8 natural numbers. Now after that, what I do? We find its mean. That is, its mean will be sum of observations divided by what? Number of observation. Okay, this is the general formula for mean. Okay, now that is sum of observations means what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Okay, this is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Means what? How many numbers of observations there? Means 8. Okay, now first of all we adding them. Let's see. 21, 21, 7, 21 or 7. This is 28, 28 and 8, 36. So 36 upon 8. Now we simplify them. So we get what? Let's see. 4 2s are 4 9s are. That is 9 by 2. That is 4 by 4.5. Thus, dear friend, the required solution of the given question means the mean of the required first 8 natural numbers is what? 4.5. This is our required answer. Okay. So in that way, you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on topic mean. Now we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take some other important question based on mean. Let's see. We take a question. Find the mean of find the mean of first 5 multiples of 4. Okay. We find what? We find the mean of first 5 multiples of 4. This is also very important question. Let's see its solution. First of all, we know that the first 5 multiples of 4, first 5 multiples of 4 are. Okay. First of all, we listed the first 5 multiples of 4 are what? Let's see. The first 5 multiples of 4 is what? 4, 8. Okay, these are the first 5 multiples of 4. So 4, 8, 4 12, 4 4 16, 4 5s are 20. Now what I do? Now we find its mean. That is its mean will be what? Sum of observations upon divided by the number of observations. So here sum of observations are 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20. These are the sum of observations, and divided by number of how many number is 5. Okay, now let's see. 8 8 बराबर 24 plus 6 and 36 upon 5. Now we are adding these two terms. 8 60 upon 5. Now we dividing 60 by 5. We get what? 5 in the 5. 5 to the 10. So the required mean of the given data is what? 12. Okay. Thus the mean of first 5 multiples of 4 is what? 12. Okay, dear student. Thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise find based on mean. Now we take some other important question based on the same concept as mean. Let's see. Now let's see the question. If the mean of if the mean of 6 4 7 6, 4, 7, P and 10. 7 P and 10 is P and 10 is 8 is 8. Okay, find the value of P. Find the value of P. Let's see its solution. Dear student, this is also a very important question of your syllabus. Okay, so let's see its solution, dear students. In that question here, if the mean of 6, 4, 7, P and 10 is what? 8. Find the value of P. Find the value of, dear student, what? P. Okay, now since first of all given observations are given first of all we write the given observation as what? Let's see, this is 6, 4, 7, P and 10, and their mean also is given as what? 8. We find the value of P. Okay, therefore in that question first we apply the formula for mean. Since we know that the formula for mean is equal to what? Sum of observations, okay, divided by what? Sum of observations divided by number of observations. Okay, number of observations. Now thus the mean will be, the mean of given data is what? Let's see. Sum of observations means what? 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus P plus 10 divided by how many observations are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so divided by 5. Okay, now we put all the values of that question in this formula. Now we simplify them. Dear student, mean is what? Mean is what? 8. So here we write as 8 is equal to 6, 4, 10, 17, 27, 27 plus P upon 5. Now we adding all the constant terms and plus P right as it is. Now we do here cross multiplication. So we get what? 27 plus P is equal to 8 5 is a 40. 8 5 is the what, dear student? 40. Okay, now the value of P is what? 40 minus 27. That is the value of P is what? 13. Value of P is what? 13. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay, dear student. Thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic mean. Okay, dear students. Now we take some other important question based on mean. Okay, so this is very important question. So please let's see very carefully. Now we take a question which is what? The mean of 5 number. Question is the mean of 5 numbers. Okay, the mean of 5 numbers is 18. Is what, dear student? 18. If one number is excluded, if one number is excluded, okay, their mean is 16. Their mean is 16. If one number, the mean of 5 numbers is 18. If one number is excluded, their mean is what? 16. Find excluded number. Find the excluded number. Now let's see its solution. Now we solve that question. Okay, so this is very important question. Dear student, I discussed about the mean of any. The mean is equal to what? Mean of what? Sum of observation divided by number of observation. So the sum of observation is what? That is the sum of observation is what? Sum of the observation is what? Mean into number of observation. Number, we do cross multiplication now. So the sum of observation is equal to what? Mean into what? Number of observation. This is very important relationship between that. So we have same formula, but after some replacing that transferring some terms, so we get sum of observation is equal to what? Mean into number of observation. Dear student, in that question we have the mean of 5 numbers. So first of all we find the sum of all 5 numbers. Okay, mean is given as what? 18. Total number of observations are there 5. So mean and number of observation is given. So first of all we find the sum of all 5 numbers. Okay, now that is sum of all 5 numbers. Okay dear friends, sum of all 5 numbers is what? Let's see. Mean into number of observation. Mean is what? 18. Number of observation is how many observations? That is 5. So 18 5s are. This is 90. Dear friend, this is the sum of all 5 numbers. Okay dear friend, this is the sum of all 5 numbers, which is what? 19. Now, according to question, if one number is excluded, dear students, if one number is excluded, then how many numbers are left? That is 4 na? Total number is 5. If one number is excluded, then how many numbers are left? 4 numbers. And the mean of remaining 4 numbers is what? 16. So now we find the sum of remaining 4 numbers, means 16 into 4. Okay, now the sum of remaining 4 numbers. The sum of remaining 4 numbers is what? Let's see. 16 into 4, that is 64. That is what, dear friends? 64. Thus, in this way, the sum of remaining 4 numbers is 64. Now, what we find? We find the excluded number. Dear students, in initial, total number is 5. One number is excluded. So first of all, we find the sum of all 5 numbers, which is 90. After that, we find the sum of remaining 4 numbers is 64. Now, the excluded number is what? Now we subtract 90 and 64 from 90. That is your excluded number. Okay, then the excluded number will be what? 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64, that is what? 26. That is what? 26. So thus our required answer is what? Thus our required answer is what? 26. So this is our required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way we discussed all the important concept, all the important questions related to mean. Okay. Now, dear student, first of all, you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class and in also previous classes. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics in this way. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the next topic of that chapter, which is median. Let's see. Now we are going to discuss about the median. What is the concept of median, dear friends? Dear friends, the middlemost value in any of the set of observation or set of distribution is known as what? It's median. In this way, we can say that median of any statistical data divide the data or distribution into equal parts. Okay, so the middlemost value of any set of data or set of distribution or observations is known as what? Median. Dear student, in finding the median of any statistical data, first of all you arrange the given observation in ascending or descending order. Generally you arrange it in ascending order. After that you count the you find the total number of observations which are involved in that questions. Okay, here after that there are two cases arises here. Now if case first, if number of observations, if number of observation n is what? Odd. N is what? Dear student, odd, then median will be, then the median will be n plus 1 upon 12th observation. 12th observation. Okay, case 2 is what? Case 2 is what? If number of observation n is even. Dear student, if the number of observation n is what? Even. In that condition, then the median will be what? N by 12th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Okay, when n is odd, then the median will be n plus 1 upon 12th observation. When n is even, then the median will be what? N by 12th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Now we take and solve some question based on median. Based on what? Median. Let's see, dear students. We take a very important question based on median. Let's see. Let's see. The median of the observations the median of the observations 11, 12, 14, 11, 12, 14, 18x plus 2, 18x plus 2, comma x plus 4, 30, 32, 35, 30, 32, 35, 41, 30, 32, 32, 30, 32, 35, 41, arranged in ascending order. Okay, arranged in ascending order. Arranged in ascending order is 24. Find the value of x. Okay, find the value of x. Let's see its solution. Dear friends, in that question, first of all, here the median of the set of observation is 24. The median of the whole set of observation is what 24 is given, and it is clear that according to question ki all the set of observation which are given in our question are arranged in ascending order. So this is the arrangement of the observation in ascending order is already given in our question, which and the mean of the and median of the given set of observation is 24, which is given in our question. We just find the value of variable x. We find what? We find the value of the variable x. Okay, now let's see its solution. First of all, we write the given observation. Given observation are 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35 and 41. Now, number of observation how many number of observation? That is n. That is the value of n beta. How many number of observation are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total number of observation is what? 10. That is, this is what? Even na? Then when number of observation is even, then the median is what? That is the median is what? N by 12th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2 So n by 2 means what? 10 by 2, that is 5th observation plus 5th one, yani 6th observation divided by 2. And the value of the median of the given distribution is what? 24. Here we put in 24. Now 24 to the 48 is equal to 5th observation is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th observation is x plus 2 and 6th observation is what? X plus 4. Now we here we put as x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Now we get as 48 is equal to x or x what? 2x plus 4 to 6. Okay, 4 to 6. Now the value of 2x is equal to 48 minus 6, that is what? 42. 42. Thus the value of x is what? 42. That is value of x is 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. The value of x is what? 21. Thus the value of x is what? 21. Thus the value of x is what? 21. Okay. In this way, this is our required solution of the given question. This is the method to solve that type of question. So let's see once more time. Dear students, first of all, this is the given set of observations, and in that set of observation, we find the median of the given set of observation is given as 24. And it already given as we say here the set of observation is already in ascending order. Now first of all we count the number of observations. So here the number of observation is 10. Now this is even, then the median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Now we put all the values according to our question in that formula. Now this 25 as median, 5th observation is what? X plus 2 and the 6th observation is x plus 4. And we do cross multiplication here, so we get 48. Now this is 2x plus 6 is equal to this. This is form a linear equation. Now after transferring that, after solving that, we get the value of x is what? 21. Thus, dear student, in that class, we revise one of the most important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is what? Data handling. So first of all, dear student, you revise all the questions which we discuss in that class. After that, we discuss some other important chapter of your NCERT exercise. Okay dear students, now thanks to all.